And sustainability can lead to profitability. As corporations strive to address today's biggest challenge, we believe it's an opportunity for companies to succeed. How? By making the invisible data visible to reveal key insights, enhancing efficiency, resiliency, and productivity, which in turn can optimize the customer experience, streamline compliance capabilities, and drive stakeholder value. Through our portfolio of sustainability software, consulting services, and ecosystem of partners, we create powerful solutions across key business imperatives. Sustainability is not a risk to be managed, but an opportunity to thrive. It powers insights, drives growth, and gives your business the ability to take on any future challenge. Let's make an impact together.
Good morning. And on behalf of IBM, I'd like to thank for the organizer, esteemed guests, and Chris to give us this opportunity to part of this great event. And here we just want to share the perspective what the Smart Railway Conclave and how the roadmap of the railway is there and how IBM is aligned to drive that smartness, because the smartness is never ends and it is always young and always progressive, as MD Chris told, Mr. Kapoor told. Yes, that in that perspective we are aligned, and we are happy to be part of this event. And thank you very much for having us here. What is sustainability? Sustainability, what we are talking is earlier it is a completely boardroom. So how we bring that sustainability into railway? How we will bring that into all the industry? So if we talk specific to railway industry, this sustainability is a next stage of transformation. So we have gone through many transformation in the IT, as our esteemed speakers before me told about transformation is happening in the railway. Yes, we are as IBM going to part and align to the transformation by bringing our solution to make more sustainable solutions to the industry, so that will be relevant and serve the people, planet, and process, and ultimately make profitability for the organization. So happy to be part of this Railway Conclave. And so IBM. So IBM is a company having 112 years of legacy. Started many journey on the technology perspective, but coming back to the railway, we are also leading the technology for all the railway organizations. So we have more than 50 years of experience in worldwide and serving many organizations, railway industry across the world. Across the world, we are having in India also, specific to India. Yes, we are present for all the metros, Indian Railway, Greece. We serve. Our technology is providing some kind of asset management solution to the existing railway thing. But we are closely associated in all the aspects of railway, whether it is asset maintenance or performance improvement or engineering for the locomotives, development of this thing and manufacturing of the locomotives, then solutioning the complex engineering part, and how you are going to manage and operate entire journey of the railway through our solution we provide and make the railway smart. That is how we are distinguished engineers, professors, and Nobel laureate. For the technology perspective, we use industry expert for their and invest, take their input on the functional things and design our solution. And mostly this research is completely address what the customer wants, how the next level of improvement is there, and how we can improve the ease of doing business on the transport and travel divisions. So we have maintained or developed a lot of complex projects where we are able to address that through our IBM research. And in India, we are also very active in research. We have completed just 25 years in this research. And this is in fact started in IIT Delhi. And the research wing is completely focused on one thing, that is how to improve the customer experience for each and every industry. So railway being one of the important industry, we are delivering that since last 50 years. So how we are delivering? So entire life cycle of the railway, when starting from 1 to 5 years, you are doing a build and design. So when the requirement comes from the customers, how you are creating the locomotives, how it should be designed, and how your partners, vendors, ecosystems will be aligned to the requirement, and on basis of the requirement design, you are building a product which will be beneficial for the product. That part we, sorry, that part we create in the first phase of build and design. Then after your building, the manufacturing, then maintenance, operations part we take care for. Let's, if you are managing that for 20 years, 8 years, 100 years, that part we take care for the solutions. So entire end-to-end asset life cycle we take care as a technology provider for the railway system, and this we are serving across the globe. Mainly, if you are talking about design, then construction, operation, everything we cover in our entire asset life cycle. Now I come to some kind of example where we have delivered the similar kind of things. So Alstom is one of the example where they when they design their locos, they take entire requirement from different customers, whatever they are serving. The customer requirement of Asia Pacific is different than Europe, than America, than any localist or goods train, passenger trains, everything will be different. So as per the requirement, they design and develop the solutions, and they go for the manufacture. So there where we have a solutions where we solve the complex engineering things for them. So they are other than railway, we are other than this Alstom, we are having many customers like in railway, like Bombardier or other relevant manufacturer who are using these solutions and embedding this solution for the customers as well. So if you are having a loco, then the design and operate maintenance is part of the locomotive itself. So this is where the design part, and I was talking about operation. So I'll definitely mention SNCF, which is basically the largest European rail network, having huge thing. 11,000 people uses our operation software. The platform what we are giving is completely enabled by three things, which is IoT, advanced AI and analytics, and AI. So these are the three things we are giving embedded in our solutions, where not only about the managing the asset, how you can predict, how you can monitor, how you can basically go ahead and do the digital twin, do the visual inspection, how you will do the civil infrastructure management. In railway, most of the your infrastructure, civil infrastructure, and fixed infrastructure, how you are managing entire life cycle. That is how we are focused in this solution. We are having our technical solution architect and expert in these two fields. They will run through those presentations today in details. So I am just giving you this glimpse how we are giving a complete end-to-end solution for the railway industry. And my technical expert like Pankaj Jain, he will talk about enterprise asset management end-to-end, how we are doing that. And Ashirvad Das will talk about engineering lifecycle management, how we are evolving in the this thing. This is how we have built up entire solution for the railway industry, and looking forward for any kind of engagement, any kind of discussion on this, how to take it forward and how to make this smart railway for India, and happy to be part of this smart railway journey of India. And thank you very much inviting us. And we are really very pleasure to be here to understand the perspective of the audience, the speakers, guests, and panelists. Thank you very much.